What's going on, y'all? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Vitaliy, or Doughboy F90 on Instagram. Coming back to you with another POV video. So, hope you guys are all having a good day. I was, until I seen someone keyed my shit. Also, it was maybe the gas station, because this one isn't touchless. But, car wash. But speaking of the car wash, your boy's M5 is looking filthy, bro. Look at this. You can't keep the black clean, bro. So without further ado, we're about to hop in the M5, let this thing warm up, and then we're gonna run to the car wash and do some POV city driving footage for you guys today. We did the running late to school. We did the curvy back roads. Now let's get into some city driving, night driving with the ambient lighting. So I need you guys to comment down below, what kind of exhaust do I get on this car? Because this thing is not cutting it. This is not cutting it for me. This car is too quiet. Coming from a straight pipe to F82, we cannot be doing this. So dude, I'm being too over energized. I'm probably gonna cringe when I edit this and then try to clip it all out. But anyways, and you guys comment down below, what exhaust do I get? What exhaust do you guys want to see me do on the M5? Tomorrow I got a part coming in, LCI taillights install update, so stay posted. We're gonna be throwing on some aftermarket taillights, and then a little bit after I got some carbon fiber coming, so some carbon fiber. But yeah, almost 1 month ownership with the M5 coming up on this Monday. 1 month ownership. I love this car, bro. I love this thing. It's been my dream car for so long, and now that I have it, and like I feel like I can confidently just make content with it. Like my F82, like I just didn't know. I was super iffy. I just was like, you know what I mean? Like I just wasn't about it like that, and the weather was kind of shit. It just wasn't it. But this car is just, man. Oh man. It's like even stock, it's just such a pleasant to drive. Bro. I'm about to whip by these dudes like an absolute dickhead. The one part about doing these POV drives is I can't bump music. I really want to bump music when I drive, but like I don't want to get copyrighted, and plus you guys probably want to hear the car more than whatever taste in music I have, so. I'm gonna say screw it. I'm gonna go to the downtown car wash. Dude, this car is so nutty. It's so beefy. It's so just, oh my goodness. Like, it's just everything. Like, no, like, when I was watching videos on this car before I purchased it, like, man, I would just see all these European dudes talking about the M5, the M5. Like, bro, now I know why. Like, dude, this car is just everything. It's just, oh my goodness. Like, I feel like I'm making like a 1 month ownership review. Like, bro, this thing is just amazing, bro. Like, okay, even like there's, you know, there's obviously that, which, you know, is an issue, but that's covered by the dealership I bought the car from. So, you know what I mean? They ordered all the parts and they're paying the shop to do it. So I'm not, you know, I'm not crying about that. And besides, it's just a regular maintenance thing. It's just a regular, typically known, oh my goodness, like, you know, BMWs are notorious for coolant expansion tanks failing and leaking on the injector specifically, you know. Obviously, if I keep driving like that and don't do anything about it, it'll become a huge problem, but, you know, I'm getting that thing taken care of in 2 days, so I'll be all set. Also, it's an F80 right there. Let's see if we can catch up to this dude.
Rear K-man.
Let's get a car wash, then let's go take some photos somewhere. I need to make an Instagram post. Bro, these scanners suck ass. Like, I have no tint on my windshield. Alright, I'm gonna pick you guys back up after the wash. Ooh, look at that thing! Should I have somebody drive my... Nah. We out. Queers.
Front K-man.
People like that piss me off, bro. Like,
Rear K-man.
boys, so my camera died. Got a little bit of, ooh. We got enough juice to finish this POV. Dude, you guys don't even know what's about to happen in this tunnel. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Comment down below. Should I keep telling you guys comment. What do you want me to do? I don't know. Follow the Instagram, Doughboy F90. If you don't want Instagram, you want Snapchat, it's Vitaliy F82. Vitaliy.f82. What are they doing? But anyways, should I make POV videos without the talking, or should I talk in my POV videos? Because I know a lot of people are 50-50. I know a lot of people just want to watch the car drive, and I know some other people will might be engaged with me speaking, so it really depends. I know it's all up to me, but like honestly, it's whatever the viewer desires, you know what I mean? So, oh my goodness. I'm probably gonna call it here for this video. Sun's coming down, even though I did want to do a night POV drive, but the sun's coming down. I want to snag me a head mount where I can mount my camera vertical so I can film reels. I feel like that would be really good content. But yeah, like, subscribe per usual. Let me know what you liked and what you didn't like. Comment down below your favorite part, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Free dirt bikes. Yeah. Peace.